take, every road we choose, learning lessons, growing like a rose. Through laughter and tears, we find our way, pursuing dreams, reaching for the day. From the peaks of joy to the depths of night, we find strength in shadows, we shine so bright. Each challenge faced, each victory won, building paths where we once felt none. Life's journey's sweet, life's journey's true. With every step we break through, from pain to gain, from fear to love. Life's journey's ours, no need to move. In the quiet moments we hear the call to embrace life, to live it all. With open hearts we walk this path, finding joy, making it our life. Through storms and sunshine we find our way, learning